Vitium, nu phanola vitium.
Nufanola vitium, Nufanola
Navium,
Nufanola
navium,
nauseum,
navium.
Nufanola nauseum.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's great. So read the next line. Pui nuzalo tu dwa.
Puis allons tout droit et nous tournons au droit et voilà.
Et voila. Okay.
Et voilà.
Okay, hold on. So Avika, are you done? Avika,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm having a trouble in Quartian.
Okay. Okay.
I
all
think
right.
I write the wrong
Yeah,
spelling.
no, this is correct. Okay, so do you know the spelling of cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the
Quatre.
all right. So cat, okay? Cathium. So cathium will be Quatriem, right? So you have written correct. Okay, cathium.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so write
Okay,
the
ma'am.
next one. Sankium. Yeah. Sankium. So sank, Q U. You have to just add U also. Okay. All right. Okay, Ashani. Bonjour. Okay, all right. So, Ashani, we are just revising this chapter, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So, you remember in the last session, we did the preposition also and we did this chapter also? Yes? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are just revising it, okay? Kunal, are you writing or are you done?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Where you are writing?
Ma'am, on the fram pad.
Okay, all right. All right. Great.
I have written all the ordinal numbers. Now I am writing the cardinal numbers.
Okay, hold on. Let me check where you are writing. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Kunal, so you are doing great. Okay, so now we will start with this chapter. Okay, Ojodvi Nuzalo Alakal the Manuel. Okay, so एक बार we will start with this also. Okay, so who is going to read first? Just tell me. Yeah. Okay, Ojodvi. Okay, read from the first line. Yeah.
Ma'am, who will read?
Okay, आप read करो कुणाल.
Okay, ma'am. Ojudui nous allons à l'école de Manuel. Nous prenons la première à gauche. Puis nous allons droit et nous tournons à droite. Voilà. Nous sommes devant à l'école. C'est un grand école. Il y a de choses, de decks, étagers. Le terrain de sport derrière à l'école.
Okay, hold on. Okay, all right. So, okay, so now first we will discuss, understand the meaning of this paragraph. Is there anyone who knows the meaning of this paragraph? Ashani, do you know the meaning of this paragraph?
Today
Yeah.
we are going up to the school of Manuel. We are the first.
We take, okay, no.
We take the first right. We take the first right.
Agosh as in left hand side पर, okay? So जो हमारे left hand side पर जो road जाएगी, first हमने वो road को लेना है, ठीक है? Nu phano laphomier hu आगोश. So left side पर जो भी first road है हमने वो लेना है. ठीक है? We are taking that road. Okay. Continue.
Okay.
Hui,
We
Nuzalo.
then we go. We are going.
Yeah. So तू ध्वा. ठीक है? So अभी हमने okay आगोश. ठीक है? आगोश. फिर तू ध्वा means straight. Okay. Nuzalo तू ध्वा. So तू ध्वा means straight. ठीक है? This is two words, but the meaning is straight. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Nuzalo tu dhwa. Okay, all right. So now we have find like nuzalo is repeated. Yes?
Yes,
Nuzalo is repeated. Okay, hold on.
And we.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tuna?
Yeah, so nuzalo here also and here also nuzalo. So what is the meaning of nuzalo? Nuzalo means we are going
We are
or we
going.
go. ठीक है? Okay, all right. So nuzalo, that's great. Okay. E nu tuhno adhwar. E wala. Okay. So nu tuhno. Tuhno as in turn. We take turn. Okay. Adhwat. Adhwat as in right. We take right. Okay.
Here we are.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. Nu sam davon lekal. So nu sam davon lekal means nu sam
It is.
davon.
We are behind the school.
Behind nahi front. Okay, we are in front of the school.
Okay,
ठीक है?
ma'am. In front of the school.
We are in front of the school. Oh wow. So now we are wondering Sechun Ghondekal. Okay, Sechun Ghondekal. Yes, so Ghondekal means it's a very big school. So do you like your school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what do you say? Like it's a big school or it's a small school?
Ma'am, gone.
Ma'am,
Gone. Yes.
big.
So yeah, big. So you say Sechun Ghondekal. ठीक है? All right. So when you go to the school, so what do you say? Like you stand in front of the school or the back side of the school?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
in front of.
In front of the school.
Ma'am, in front.
है ना? So what do you say? Nusam davon lekal. Okay, we are in front of the school. ठीक है? So just repeat this line. Nusam davon lekal. All of you.
Nusam davolekal.
Yeah, nusam davon lekal. So davon means in front of the school. ठीक है? Nuzalo, nusam. So two verbs. ठीक है? First one is nuzalo. Second one is nusam. So what is the difference between nusam and nuzalo? Okay, nusam means
Anusam means we are.
we are. Nuzalo means
We are going.
we are going. Very good. Okay. Okay, Avika, just tell me the difference between nuzalo and nusam.
Ma'am, Nusam says we are and Nusalo is we are going.
Going. Okay, Kunal. Yes. Yes. Tell me the difference, nuzalo and nusam. Nuzalo and nusam. Do you see nusam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here is nusam. नूसम अच्छा नूजालो पता है आपको कुणाल okay Arav tell me the difference between nuzalo and nusam
Yes, ma'am.
yeah
Ma'am, no means that we are. Wait a second. We are going,
going and nusam means
and nusam means that we have to.
no we are
We are.
Nusam means we are, and nuzalo means we have.
we have ni we are going okay
Okay.
we are going वो नूजावो होता है AVONS होता so उसका मतलब होता we have so this is nuzalo alo so we are going ठीक है so आपके पास notebook है तो just write the meaning of these two words okay nuzalo and nusam you have notebook with you or you can write in the from pad also Okay, so you have the link. Link है आप सबके पास, or should I share?
Ma'am, can you share?
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
not in the chat.
अच्छा मैं आपको शेयर करती हूँ, ठीक है. So Avik, okay, और किस Aishani, you have the link?
Mom, I'm actually in my notebook.
Notebook, very good. आप notebook में लिख लो, जिसको जहाँ comfortable लगता है आप वहाँ लिख सकते हो. Avika, okay. So Arav, आप कहाँ लिख रहे हो? Avika, you got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arav, आप कहाँ लिख रहे हो? Just tell me where you are writing. Okay, I think he's having network issue. All right. So Nusam and Nuzalo. Okay, Kunal, where you are writing? Kunal, you just continue with from pad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Actually, I
yeah.
was pressing Alt A to leave me. I was pressing Control A, so it was not unmuting. That's why.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my light had gone, so what are we doing?
Okay, so I'm just saying, just write the meaning. Okay, Nuzalo and Nusam. इन दोनों का
Okay.
मीनिंग लिखो आप अपनी नोटबुक में. आपके पास लिंक है
Ma'am, which link?
फ्रॉम पैड का? ओके, लेट मी
No, ma'am.
शेयर.
Ma'am,
ठीक
but
है,
I'll write it on the notebook.
नोटबुक में राइट करो जहां पे आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, जहां वेयर एवर यू वांट टू राइट आप वहां लिख सकते हो. ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
तो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. नूजालो एंड नूसम. ठीक है, ये इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन नूजालो एंड नूसम. ओके, यस, नूजालो एंड नूसम.
Excuse me, ma'am.
या
Oh, no, nothing.
tell me. Okay, so now I am sharing another screen. ठीक है, Nuzalo and Nusam सबने लिख लिया. Okay, so have you written this also in your notebook? Just tell me. Preposition. Preposition आप सबने नोट किया हुआ है ये? avant, après, before, after. Avika,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I had written my from pad in the last class.
in the last class. Okay, Avika आपने लिखा हुआ है?
Yes, ma'am, in the notebook, but not on the from pad.
It's okay. Okay, Ashani, have you written already?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Arav आपने लिखा हुआ है?
Ma'am, I had done this in school, but not here.
अच्छा ठीक है, तो आपने ये वाला भी किया हुआ है? Dans, ont.
Ma'am, almost everyone.
अच्छा ठीक है, सो ये सारे किए हुए. इसके मीनिंग एक बार हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज द
Okay.
मीनिंग ऑफ ओके सू एंड सू? जस्ट टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ सू
Under and on.
under and on. ठीक है, so सू SOUS, under, and सू means on. Okay, so
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
meaning of agosh, adhwat?
Ma'am, left and adwa is right.
Right, so dhwat, T भी pronounce करना है. ठीक है, dhwat,
Okay, ma'am.
agosh, adhwat, so left and right. ठीक है,
Ma'am, can I just come in a sec?
sorry,
Ma'am, can I just come in 1 minute?
yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I had written till.
Okay,
in the
so
last-
just tell me the meaning of agosh and adhwat. Yeah, so should I hide
Ma'am, the
this?
meaning of Agosh is left and Adhwa is right.
Right, okay, so now I'm hiding the screen and now you have to tell me the meaning whatever I ask. Okay, devant. So what is the meaning of devant?
Ma'am, in front.
Ma'am, in front of.
Okay, dahiye.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
behind.
behind.
Okay, that's great. Dans.
Ma'am, right.
Dans. Dans.
Sorry, in.
Entre means?
Mm,
Yes, entre means? Entre, between. Okay, entre means between. Okay, prayer. What is the meaning of prayer?
Ma'am, tray.
Yeah, prayer. Prayer. P-R-E-S. Prayer. Prayer. Loin. Prayer.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
near and far.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
prayer.
means
Loin.
near,
Yes.
and Luna
So this
means
is
far.
prayer. Loin. Okay. Prayer is near. Loin as in far. Okay, just read this. Prayer. Loin. Yes.
Prayer,
Prayer.
Luna.
Très
Loin.
loin.
Prayer. Loin. Okay, this is
Prayer,
prayer. Lua. All right. Very good. Okay. So one more. Awake and song. Okay. Awake.
Awake and song.
Yeah.
Ma'am, with and without.
Without. So awake, song, with and without. Okay. All right. O deso, o desu. Okay. So this is important word.
Desu.
Yeah. तो इसको कैसे pronounce करना है? We will just focus on this. ठीक है? So S के बाद do you see S-O? S-O.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to say O deso. O, S के बाद O है, so you have to say O deso. S के बाद U
O
है,
deso.
O के बाद U है, you have to say U. O desu. ठीक है?
O deso, O desu.
Yeah, very good. So O deso, O desu. Okay, Kunal, just read this one more time.
Desu.
This. Okay, Ashani, read this.
O deso below, O desu above.
Okay, very good. Okay, okay, all right. So I think, oh, okay. So now we will continue with that page. Okay, all right. So, okay. So now we will do the second paragraph. Okay. Le salle, the class, the manuel est au deuxième étage. Okay. So, le salle, the class. So, what is the meaning of le salle, the class?
Ma'am, in the class? Wait.
No. So this is a one word, okay? Just let me make a circle, okay? So le salle de classe. Wow. Le salle de classe, you know, four
Classroom.
letters. I mean, four
Classroom.
words, right? Le salle de classe. So what is the meaning of?
Classroom.
Yes, so
Classroom.
le salle, the class means classroom, okay? La salle de classe. So just write this word in your notebook, everyone. La salle de classe. Okay. Are you writing? La salle de classe. So la salle de classe means classroom. So you have the classroom, Eshani, in the school.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So la salle de classe de Manuel. ठीक है? So I can say la salle de classe de Kunal, la salle de classe de Avika, la salle de classe de Eshani, la salle de classe de Arav. Eto, okay? Premier etage, maybe first floor, maybe second floor, maybe third floor, right? Yes? So हमको क्या लिखना है? Premier, deuxième, troisième, quatrième. So आप deuxième लिख सकते हो. Quatrième, ठीक है? Quatrième, cinquième, right? So now can you change the sentence? La salle de classe de Manuel est au deuxième étage. So can you say it third floor? Okay. So, okay, just
Le
say the
salle
class.
de
Yeah.
classe de manuel est au troisième étage.
Very good. Very good. So troisième, quatrième, ठीक है? Okay, all right. So do you want to try, Aishani? ओके आरव आप ट्राई करोगे la salle de classe the manuel eto कैथियम एताज ठीक है ओके नेक्स्ट लाइन वी विल कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट लाइन dans la classe okay so what is the meaning of dans la classe dans dans la classe dans means we just did dans
Ma'am, in the class?
yes so dans means in okay all right so dans la classe who will tell me the meaning of dans la classe dans means yeah dans means in the
Ma'am,
class okay in the class dans la class means in the class ठीक है
okay.
all right so
Yeah.
yeah so la salle de classe means classroom dans la class means in the class okay
Yes, ma'am.
all right okay
Yes, ma'am.
yeah so next word is okay next is Ilia de table okay so Ilia de table means what is the meaning of Ilia Ilia who will tell me the meaning of Ilia
Ma'am,
Ilia
here.
huh Ilia
Here.
okay so Ilya do you know Ilia what is Ilia
Ma'am, he is a
no Ilia का मतलब हाँ हमने तो इतनी बार multiple times we did this Ilia है ना
Yes, ma'am. Even in that song there was.
yeah so what is the meaning of Ilia just think about it
There is.
yeah there is or there are ठीक है इलिया का मतलब there is भी हो सकता है और there are भी हो सकता है तो अब
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है तो there अब यहाँ पर बिकॉज यहाँ पर टेबल्स है ना देखो दे ताबल दे दिख रहे हैं ये दे
Yes, ma'am.
है ना दे तो यहाँ पर there are हो जाएगा ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है सो इलिया दे ताबल बहुत सारी टेबल्स हैं दे शेज का मतलब क्या होता है व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ शेज मींस चेयर
Here.
चेयर ओके
Yes, ma'am.
तो शेज प्लूरल है तो चेयर्स ठीक है pour les élèves फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स pour les élèves कितना इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड है सो dans la classe il y a des tables and chairs so for chairs I will say chaises okay il y a des tables et des chaises et des chaises means and the chairs ठीक है आया समझ में
Yes, ma'am.
yes so la salle de classe just tell me the meaning of la salle de classe
Classroom.
yes so everyone just say la salle de classe
La salle de classe.
very
The
good
class.
la salle de classe okay dans la classe just say dans la classe
Dans la classe.
yeah
Dans la classe.
dans la classe very good so dans la classe il y a des tables des chaises pour les élèves so pour les élèves means students ठीक है so you are students étudiant भी student है les élèves ठीक है pour les élèves un bureau ठीक है un bureau means एक ऑफिस है ठीक है un bureau une chaise pour le professeur ठीक है एक चेयर है किसके लिए प्रोफेसर के लिए ए un tableau noir okay blackboard un tableau noir means blackboard okay un tableau noir just write this un tableau noir un tableau noir means blackboard okay write this un tableau noir are you writing it un tableau noir yes Avika, are you writing
Yes, ma'am. I'm writing it.
okay, un tableau noir so UNTABLEAU
Pickaxe is fire. This bananas. Guys, I'm buying the entire map. Okay, guys, what are we? What are we,
Ma'am,
guys?
we have
What?
Written
Yeah,
un tableau noir.
ma'am, we have on table new.
Un tableau noir. Okay. So une chaise pour le professeur. ठीक है? Une chaise means one chair. ठीक है? Des chaises means so many chairs. Right? You agree with me?
Yes,
Une
ma'am.
chaise, one chair.
Ma'am, written.
Yes, very good. So une chaise, un bureau. So un bureau as an office. Okay, just repeat after me. Un bureau.
A bureau.
Yes, un bureau as an office. Okay. Or maybe
Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
That's sweaty. Nothing good.
desk. Desk also. Okay.
Why do I have a Flappy Bird? Like,
Okay. Un bureau as in desk जिस पे हम बैठते हैं. ठीक है. So chairs है, desk है और whatever you can say. Une chaise pour le professeur et un tableau noir. Okay. Il y a aussi une carte de la France contre la mer. Okay. Contre la mer. All right. So what is the meaning of this line? So
God bless. You gotta-
this means il y a aussi. So what is the meaning of il y a? Il y a, again, il y a means there is. Okay. Il y a means there
And
is.
there is.
There is. Aussi, O-C-A-U-S-S-I, OC means also. ठीक है? O-C-A-U-S-S-I, OC means also. There is also une carte. Carte means map. Okay? किसका map है? France का. ठीक है?
And
Carte
France.
de la France. Okay? Une carte. So map of the France. ठीक है? So il y a aussi une carte de la France contre le mer. Okay? So le mer means wall. ठीक है? So got it? Everything? What is this?
It's kind of silly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, all right. So any question from this paragraph? Le salle de classe, the manuel, dans la classe, il y a des tables. Right? So now we are moving. Okay. So now I want all of you to read this paragraph one by one. एक बार read करते हैं जल्दी से.
The salle de classe, the manual, et le deuxième étage, dans la classe, il y a des
Okay. So this is dans la classe. Dans. ठीक है?
dans la classe,
Hmm.
il y a table, des chaises
Hmm.
pour l'élève,
Les
un
élèves.
bureau.
Pour les élèves. Les élèves means students.
Students.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Un bureau, un chaise pour le professeur, un table noire. Il y a aussi une carte de France de contre la mer.
Contre le mer. ठीक है?
Contre la mer.
Okay, right. So, okay. So next, who would like to read? Avika? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
La salle de classe, the manual, et au deuxième étage, dans la classe, il y a des tables, des chaises pour
Pour les élèves. Okay. Élèves.
les élèves.
Yeah. Élèves. 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 Yes.
Élèves.
Yes.
Pour les élèves.
Hmm.
Pero la chaise pour la professeure et table noire. Il y a aussi carte de
Il y
la
a aussi. Hmm.
il y a aussi carte de la France contre la mer.
Yes. So contre-le-mur. So on the wall, or you can say, for example, अगर कोई एक board है wall के ऊपर, है ना, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? It is placed on the wall or maybe against the wall. ठीक है? So maybe you can say कि वो दीवार के ऊपर. So contre-le-mur as in on the wall. ठीक है? Il y a aussi une carte de la France contre le mur. Okay, so next, Eshani, continue. Yes, Eshani. Okay, Arav. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read it.